I'm going to show you what one industry is doing to increase their sales and conversions on Amazon so that you can adapt it for your own circumstances, make more money, spend more time with the people that you like, and retire early. Let's get into it. It has to do with a rabbit hole that I fell down recently. It's the barefoot shoe industry. In case you're unfamiliar, the story that this industry tells to consumers goes something like this. Back in the olden days, our ancestors did not have shoes. And so you check if that's true in your mind, and you say, yes, probably there was a point where there was no footwear. True. First box, check. Then the argument goes like this. It was healthier back then. Your toes splayed out naturally. It was better for balance, and the feet and the legs toughened up, right? But now there's been an issue. And again, this is the marketing story that this industry tells. There's been an issue in modern society. Regular shoes bunch up and compress your toes into a straight line, making you less balanced, increasing things like bunions, blistering, and lack of strength. The balance of the entire body, after all, starts with the foot being on the ground. And so this is an issue. You're less stable. Right? So let's return to our ancestral ways, but adapted for the modern age, hence barefoot shoes. The two distinct characteristics, let's say, of most of these products are that it has a wide toe box. So as you can see here, most of these are extremely wide versus if you look at your average pair of Nikes or Adidas, it will taper in and it'll get narrow. But the argument again is that's not how feet are actually shaped. Yeah, you can go wide with it. And also, they have no such arch support or big heel that cushions the foot when you go in for a heel strike during a regular walking pattern. So it's an interesting story, right? And I think we can all learn something from this as we market our products in the wild. It goes like, the ancestors did something a certain way and that was good. Now modern society has come and ruined it. Let's circle back and reclaim those benefits that our ancestors once enjoyed. You also see this with the recent, you know, resurgence of things like this. Like this, the I'm sure you've seen this gentleman around. This is the Liver King website, and this is talking about simulated hunts, right? Here are some exercises you can do and some products that you could buy. So for example, like if you were online selling kettlebells, or if you were online selling sandbags, a heavy sandbag over the shoulder, there is a place to tell this story about, hey, our ancestors did X, Y, Z, and that was actually healthy and natural for humans. Modern society has taken it away, and now you can return to this. So there's room for a player in the Amazon kettlebell space, for example, to go ancestral with it, and carving out this market share using a story can be very, very effective because your product's no longer a commodity. It's tied to a larger narrative, a larger mission that people can get on board with. The best products are never just products. They're products that are wrapped in compelling stories that make sense. Especially something like this, it has the quality of intuitively making sense because you can imagine a time where our ancestors did this activity and got benefit from it. I wrote a free book on exactly step by step how to scale up on Amazon profitably, because that's what actually matters, not the revenue, but the profit. So I'll drop that as a comment below this video. You can get your copy. It's totally free. Put months and months of work into it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you on the other side.